In this video, we're going to convert the Walther PPS M2 7 or 8 round magazine into an 8 or 9 round magazine using the MagGuts spring system. The procedure for the 7 round magazine or the 8 round magazine is the same, but the parts are a little bit different. On a lock plate for the 8 round magazine, it's got an additional flange in the front. You can see on the 7 round lock plate there is no flange. Also, the 8 round lock plate is taller. The 7 round, you can see here, is shorter. So we'll be converting the 8 round magazine today. Make sure you wear your safety glasses because we'll be working with springs. And be careful, these flat springs can be sharp. Okay, you'll need a narrow tool. I'm going to use a punch. A screwdriver will work. Just something that you can fit into the hole in the base and push. Now as you push, you'll see this plastic part comes out. And then next, there's a metal part that comes out on each side. Now you want to grab that so that when you release the base, the spring doesn't come flying out. Once you've got the base off, just let it go, take out the spring, follower. Set those aside because we won't need them. Next, install the follower into the bottom of the magazine. Next is the wire spring. Now the wire spring, on the end of the wire spring should be toward the back of the magazine like this. And just push the follower into the magazine using the spring. Now the flat spring, the end of the flat spring should be toward the end of the wire spring like this. So you want that orientation. And then just insert the flat spring into the connecting cup and then push everything into the magazine all the way into that little notch. And again, we're going to hold it in place just like this. Then install the base. Once you've got the base all the way back and in position, you can just let go of that lock plate and it should snap right into place. Look into the bottom and verify that that brass button is in the center of the hole in the base like this. Now you should see the spring underneath the follower here. Sometimes it hangs up during assembly. If you just tap it, that spring should come on up. Once it's in place, you don't need to worry about it. It won't move from there. Just make sure it gets where it needs to be when you assemble it. And just replace this little plastic part to the magazine like that. And we just need to verify that this 8 round magazine will hold 9 rounds. There it is, no problem. Now you should have some room after you install 9 rounds, just so that it'll fit in the gun, and then verify that it does in fact fit in the gun. And we're finished. We've converted the Walther PPS M2 8 round magazine to 9 rounds using the MagGuts spring system.